What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you've been following StreetSpeed717 build on the Katech channel, you may be wondering, what is Harding Motorsports? Harding Motorsports is my used car business. That is the company that bought the StreetSpeed717 car. We've been doing the modifications at Katech, getting it ready to sell, so we're going to show you the car. So if you remember, Mike broke the differential of the drag strip. That was one of the main reasons the car was parked. So the first thing we did was we sent the diff out to RPM, had RPM repair the differential, and we installed it back in the car. We also removed the engine, upgraded to our Stage 3 package. We changed the damper to the ATI with a 15% overdrive, and the supercharger already had the 2.3 inch upper pulley, so that was good. If you remember, the car was already equipped with Cook's headers. We left the factory mufflers. We also installed the Lingenfelter GT35 cam as part of the Stage 3 package. It already had CNC ported Katech heads, and we just changed the valve springs to go along with the package. It was also already equipped with a Formato ported blower and a Haltech air intake system, so we reinstalled the air intake. We also installed Katech valve covers, powder coated in yellow, and coil relocation kit to dress up the engine compartment. Another one of the major problems was the doors. It had the Lamborghini style doors on it, and they didn't fit very well, they didn't work very well, so we went back to the factory door hinges. As you can see, the doors open and close normally. Nice door function, and we touched up some of the blemishes along the door jamb that was caused by the Lamborghini style doors. We removed the rear wing and installed the new deck lid since it was drilled for that wing. So this is a new deck lid painted to match, and reinstalled a factory spoiler with the level 3 arrow. We also repaired the right rocker where it was damaged due to an accident that Mike had. We installed the level 3 arrow on the car, so it got a Katech carbon fiber splitter that I painted carbon flash to match the rest of the arrow, and it got the Stage 3 splitter end plates. Since there may be several people interested in this car, I'm going to go the first round listing this car on eBay so everybody has a fair chance to bid on it. Look for a link in the description below. If you guys like this video, let me know if you want to see more videos like this on my channel, some of the behind the scenes stuff that I do, racing and things like that. So please subscribe to Harding Motorsports, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.